Alright, what's up, people? It's your man Rajay111 back with a hopefully quick video. Alright, I've gotten a ton of questions about this cable right here, how I charge up my batteries in the car. This is for the car. This is 2S only, okay? And I'm going to show you how to make this cable. It's very simple, very easy, okay? Once I show you, you'll begin to understand it. Alright, okay, so why would you want to make this cable? Alright, here I got my tray. I think this is my truggy. Yeah, this is my truggy. The battery tray and servo tray for my truggy. Alright, for me, I leave the charge port out of the balance port. Balance port out, and I can leave the battery and everything still connected and everything. I don't have to take the screws, nothing out. With this cable, you're going to be charging up the battery through the balance port, okay? Reason why you would want to do this is because you don't have to take apart the whole tray, take the battery out, charge it up, boom. It just makes it easier. I can leave the tray in the car, no screws, no nothing. I just plug it right in, snap, hit my charger, and go. Then when it's done, just one connection, done. Alright, so let me show y'all something here. So now on your application might be different. See, mine has a little slot here. Let me zoom down. Alright, and from there I leave that balance port out all the time, okay? I rarely take this out unless there's a problem. Alright, so if we look at this, alright, you got 3 wires. This is 2S. Now people, let me explain something to y'all. This is only for 2S, okay? This cable only for 2S. Don't get creative, try to do 88S and blow yourself up. You don't want that type of voltage going through your balance port with this cable. 2S only, and I always charge it at 1C, okay? Alright, you can see we have 3, let me spin this way. We have 3 wires coming out of here. Alright, make sure y'all focus. Alright, cool. We got 3 wires coming out of here. Alright, we got a red, a middle wire, and a black one, which is be our ground or negative, whatever you want to call it, okay? Alright, let me get this right here. I'm trying to make sure y'all in focus so y'all can see. Alright, the key to this is just making sure you get everything lined up right. So if we put this on the thing, put this on our balance thing, see we got 3 wires here. Red, center, and our negative. Okay? Got it? Got it. Alright. Now, let me zoom out again. Alright, cool. If we look here on the other end, we got 2 things, a banana clip, 2 banana clips. Alright, and we got our connection that goes to the board. Let's zoom down to the board. Alright, I want to make sure y'all get y'all in there, yeah, nice and tight. Alright, so we look at the board, we're doing 2S, right? 2S. Plug that in. If we look at our numbers, 1 is negative, or our negative, then we got 1 and 2. Make sure y'all in focus for that. Okay, see that? Now you see that 2 is positive, and we got our center wire, okay, and then we got our negative. Alright, let me zoom out. Alright, now, alright, so our banana clips, our banana ones, is going to splice into this, alright, which is 1 banana positive, going to splice into our positive side. We're going to leave our center wire right here. Let me move this out the way, that way y'all can see it. The center wire is going to stay intact. That's going to go all the way to the other end. We're not going to splice into the center wire. But our negative wire, we're going to hook up the other banana clip. We're going to splice into our negative wire. We're going to use our other banana clip to splice into there. Alright. This cable is very simple to make. Alright. Let me show y'all what you're going to have to get. By far, people, the easiest way to do this, alright, is to get you some of these. I'm going to leave links for this stuff in the description. Alright. The reason why I say this is easy because it's already made. You just cut it. The only thing is you might want to add some wire to it to make it longer. Alright. But it's already set up for you. Okay. The reason, now me, I personally make my own cables. You would have to get some of these JS connectors, and then you have to get a crimper and all that. I could show you that, but that's another video. But the reason why I make my own is because that way, I don't want, it's just more cleaner. You don't have all them splices. But this, people, is the easiest way. You get you some 22 gauge wire. I'm gonna link all this down in the description. You can just get you some 22 gauge wire, snip, solder that on, and extend it. All right, it's the easiest way, and both of your connectors are already done. Like I said, I build mines, and you know, just to make it a little bit more cleaner. All right, this is one I just made. All right, well, I'm making. All right, now let me move this thing out, this and that. All right. Also, I'm link all, like I said, I'm linking all this in the description. You get yourself some banana clips. This got this on this end, so the ones I'm gonna link is gonna be like this. You can cut it, just cut that in all clip. You don't need that, and then we're gonna splice it in. Okay. It's pretty simple, straightforward, easy breezy, no problem. Just need you a little solder iron and you're good to go. Alright, so let me set this up so I can solder it, strip off my wires, and get everything set up. Be right back. Alright, you can see, cut the wires off, tie them in there. Let me make sure y'all on focus. Cool. Alright, now again, I left my center wire, remember, 2 to 3 different wires. I left the center one open. Okay, here on the longer end, right here. All right, make sure this is my center wire right here. No, I'm sorry, this is not my center wire. That's my wire. But here, make sure you put on your heat shrink. Sorry, I'm trying to look through the camera. Make sure you put your heat shrink on first before you do anything. Okay. Alright, cool. Now, if you got yourself some little finger dingies like this, you're good to go. Alright, now, the key to this is just making sure you get which wire where. Okay, so I'm going to start with my red. Red is, or positive, whatever you want to call it. Okay, it's a lot easier to see. You can't mess that one up because it's red to red. Okay, put that there. So I'll get my, oops, sorry. Get my soldering gun here for a second, heat her up, and then come on down here, make sure I'm in focus. People, y'all know how to solder. I ain't gonna tell y'all how to solder, but it makes it easier if you tint your wire up. Okay. All right. A little bit of tint in there. Cool. So next up, we're gonna do our center wire. Okay. So this is the thing. Make sure your center wire is there. Okay. Remember, the center wire is not getting. It doesn't have the banana clip on it. Okay. This is our center wire right here. We're good to go. Cool. Again, tint your wire up. I like to put some solder on the tip of this real quick. Alright. Just makes it easier to flow when it's time to melt it. Easy breezy, baby. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. Okay. Sure you got your heat shrink right there. Good to go. Cute. Alright, last but not least is our banana clip. Remember, that's on our negative side, okay? Alright, that's it. Alright, cool. Twist it up. Tint the wire real quick. Cool. Pull your heat shrink down. Good to go. Now, normally I put some wire protector on this, but I was just trying to show y'all real quick and easy. As you can see how long my cord is. So now let me get my charger, show you how this works. Alright, see, got my balance board already plugged in. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your banana clips that you spliced in, okay? Negative, of course, to negative. Negative and positive to positive, negative to negative, okay? This part, you're gonna put it right in your 2S, boom, boom, boom. Take the other end, plug it into your battery, good to go. All right, then set your charge up like you normally regular charge. So I'll do 1S, so 2.3 amps. Yep. 2S, good. Hold. Boom. You can see I'm charging up. Make sure y'all focus. All right. Get that down to y'all. You can see I'm charging. And let's go here. You see my two cells. Cell 1, cell 2. It's charging up both of them. Alright. Now you can also discharge or storage mode, whatever you want to do. So you want to go to storage mode right there. That's storage mode. You can see. Now it's going to start to discharge my battery. Alright. That's it. Easy breezy, beautiful girl. Alright. Not bad, people, at all. Alright. This is just something to help you out there, you know what I mean? It's quick and easy. Now, I would tie all this up like I'm going to tie all this up. That way it's not so dangly. And you're good to go. Alright, people. You can put some heat shrink on there. See, like this. Got some heat shrink on there. Just to make it so it ain't dangling. Alright. Alright, people. This your man, Rajay 111. Giving you something you can feel, baby. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.